Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with Miss Lisa Sudarsono. Dear students, time flies by. Welcome to the last session of the online tutorial. This week, you are going to review and create a mind map of the learning materials from Session 1 to Session 7 as a summary of the Bahasa Inggris course. If you still have any questions about previous topics, please write them down in the discussion forum. Also, don't forget to submit the assignment 3 if you have not. Good luck on your final exam. Keep spirit and be honest in doing your final exam. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.